Hey guys, Roland here with Myriad Services. Today I'm going to show you how to change a virtual background on Teams, so stay tuned. Okay, so when your Teams is open, you'll see on the very top panel 3 dots for more options. So click that. Scroll all the way down to Apply Background Effects, and a new window on the right will open. So this is where you can select the images that you want. Okay, some people like the blur. I guess it gives them the professional look. Just select that, a tick will appear, press apply. And as you can see, the image changed instantly. If you don't like that image, you can change it to whatever image you want. Me personally, I kind of like this one. This is actually one of my favorites. So click that, again, a tick will appear, press apply, and you can see the image has changed. Now I'm going to show you how to upload your own customized image. So same thing again, apply background effects, and then we're going to go to this plus here, which is the add new. So we're going to click that. New window will open. This is where you can search where your image is stored. So in this case, we're going to Romania. I'm going to select Romania and press open. Alright, so now we're going to scroll all the way down to Romania, or scroll down and find Romania, and we're going to select that. And then we're going to press apply. And as you can see, I'm in Romania. So that's easy. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps. Comment below if you want to see more videos like this. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Okay, that's pretty much it for me for today, so I'll talk to you guys later.